When should you replace your tires? Tires are an essential part of your vehicle's safety. A high number of accidents are tire-related accidents, which can leave you with a big repair bill. So replace your tires as soon as you notice any signs of damage. Here are 8 scenarios where tires need to be re-evaluated and replaced. Replace your tires if the tread bar is flush with the tire tread. Most tires have tread wear bars, which are small horizontal bridges between the treads. When the tire tread is even with these wear bars, it means the tread is worn and needs to be replaced immediately. Bring your car in for maintenance if you notice irregular tread wear. Check for any abnormal bulges or bubbles in the sidewall. Don't ignore embedded nails or stones. Balance your tires if you feel steering wheel vibration. Little cracks can mean that the rubber is breaking down. A damaged valve cap can leak air and allow dirt, moisture and debris to enter the tire. Replace your tires every 5 years as per RTA guidelines. The 4-digit code on the sidewall of the tire indicates its age. The first 2 numbers represent the week it was made and the last 2 represent the year. For example, 1721 means your tire was made in the 17th week of 2021. If the tire is over 5 years old, it should be replaced. If your vehicle pulls to one side constantly, has uneven and rapid tire wear, or seems to have abnormal wheel control, it can be a sign of incorrect wheel alignment. At Dash Center, wheel alignment and balancing are easy, quick and affordable. Visit the link below to book an appointment now.